In this video, you'll learn how to change the font size on the Pixel 5 SMS app. By adjusting the font size, you can enhance the readability of your text messages, making it easier to communicate effectively. Begin by locating the Settings app on your Pixel 5. This app typically appears on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you find it, tap to open the Settings menu. From the list of options, look for Display and select it to access the display settings. Within the display settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Font Size. This setting controls the text size across your device, including within the SMS app. Adjusting the font size can significantly improve your reading experience, especially if you prefer larger or smaller text. Tap on Font Size to proceed. You will see a slider that allows you to adjust the font size. As you move the slider left or right, a preview will display how the text will appear at different sizes. Take your time to find a size that feels comfortable for you. Keep in mind that the changes you make will apply instantly to supported applications, including the SMS app. After adjusting the slider to your preferred font size, exit the settings and open your SMS and Messages app. Review a conversation to see how the new font size looks in practice. If the text is still not to your liking, you can easily return to the display settings and make further adjustments as necessary. Remember that the font size you choose will be applied system-wide, affecting all supported apps. This means that once you find a size that works for your SMS app, it will also enhance readability in other applications that utilize the same text settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.